No, no. AATV.
Rogo that down. Good afternoon. I would say good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let me take off my spectacles to pre you better. I got a big up the promoter who try his best to make this possible each year. Yeah. I gotta say respect to whosoever tried their best to sponsor it. Yes. I gotta say respect to all the patrons here who made that effort to come out today to this event. Give yourself a round of applause for this enjoyment. This is what you call unification, Jamaica 55. And I gotta say I'm proud of my country. And because it's that on the map, Jamaica, with such broad capacity over the world, we have to big up myself and say, Jamaica, me proud of you. Jamaica is the best. Don't even matter what you see. You see it go on with last night. Sometime him just ease back and make a man just say, go on, try your best because what? Bolt is still the best. Him get a bad start. Don't worry about that. Watch him come through. Now I want you to start the rhythm and let us start to elaborate and you're gonna take it down low. Bobby shot, yo. It's the Jacko, Rogo that. Or the new talk of Jamaica. When me say it name, Rogo. It name, Rogo. What year how did that come in now? Play it low. You pass a man and a man say, Rogo, you say, Rogo that. And the biggest talk of Jamaica, Rogo. Man say, Rogo, you think it's no snark and bogo. This is gummy beer and Jojo. Rogo that. So let's start to elaborate. Songs that you know. Let's start it like this. Who love it? He goes so, inna the bus, inna the bus, inna the bus, the man kick up from bus, yes, inna the bus, inna the bus, inna the boy, Mr. D. Hey, little boy there. Take your foot off of me car. Now the doctor they juggle down with the money back. I showed fierce please till him to told tired dear a gal ball. How many 10 cents me have? Here a man up at the front, you know me just get robbed. The doctor said what? The minibus stop. The doctor grab the man and give the man couple slap, fling him out and the bus drop him on him neck. Everybody find most feel quick after that way. Inna the bus, the man kick up from bus, yes. Inna the try to find out where they in them. Don't you commit that blessing then, don't. Cause I won't. Me say, don't use your mouth in that in them. Me girl go back loose when you chill them. Don't eat them, don't. Cause oh no, me say don't. And the brethren say what? You are not my father, you can't show me that. They tell you this everything, no chicken, but you can't tell me say nothing eat the girls. You say, yo, son, you're right, you are eating that girl a pass and them the answer, oh no, see that. Back up by that to the phone and carrot and go so up in 9 40 more than your mother the frog. Hold on. Now let me tell you something. When I elaborate it is very different. I try to in parallel. Why? This is a family event and you have to be circumspect and be very, very careful of your speech. No expletives, because there are itty bitty ones here, and children live what they. So I'm going to be very, very low and certain. I'm going to take all precautionary measures. Now I'm going to play, no, I'm going to talk some things, but not too nice. Ladies and gentlemen, you remember that one there? Dance over, come on, that's your keep on. You just dance over, can him and run up him, put you better. Dance over, can him and go and like him and you better. Dance over, cause I make it. Well, you know, you can't stop. Him and your idiot, like a head dance, the food incompetent. Him is a non-cut, big and scooping us right. Tell him and I got him and chat and you don't dance over. While him and chat, no answer him back. Mount up class face, mount make for chat. Him and your daddy fin out your back. No pay him no mind. Do not react. Cause he might catch up. And you go react and then back your cutlass and land him couple chop. He's after him dead now you are going to think back and say, if I didn't know me, I want to chat him. So at then the time they be shot, they get the done. I feel your boots are going to knocking at the inner bell pad. Boots you got a prison as easy as that. I say, if they didn't know me, would have dance over, come on, not you keep on you must. Dance over, can him run up in motor better. Dance over, can him go and like him, but you better. We ain't no man here, my story now, my story. Me and my girlfriend in back at birthday. She come in last night, 1 quarter past. When they say, where you coming from? She said, me don't look further. When they dip her father, she back a fountain pen. I said, come now, you know from when I want. Back your feet, you go to your eye then. You know, come make your butter me again. I rather got a person come home and when she left out of the yard, me don't even know when she come back, she a ball. This is one to you, when I feel up her face and her two join them. I say, a man bats me round a top birthday this way. A man bats my girlfriend, I must say, dead him one dead like auntie for them. But up on her head, I say, no worry, ya. You make me like him and make me go down there. Then when they reach and they buck up on some little children, we don't create them up bad. Ask them if I... They say, no, Mrs. I, they say, who backs your bed? Here up, I say, I will box your girlfriend. You don't know, man. When me turn around, the man at 10'10", make off a run, but something grab me knee. I say, respect my friend. I know him back to you. She say, yes, I am big. They say, all right, then if you think so, you're bad boy, boxer again. They say, you never see you boxer again. People are boxer. They just run across the road to buy 2 wine, they keep on me come back, me give a shake him and them and say, respect your boss, just save me the problem. I don't think I have to bother boxer again. That's the boxer to me. Shut him. Hold on. Hold on. Run the rhythm. You think me come here for waistline? You have Charlie round there. And we don't want to backline get you tonight, so we are going to do some things. Alright, play it low. Here's a lyric, so I want to chat to you. Hear this. In a yard round 9 o'clock, I bubble out the stamina when they in the back. When they hear out a door, they hear 2 shots, back. After that, they do a knock. Rakatakatakatak, they allow how. Who that? Here a voice said, who that you want it? Fly the blinking door, fly the effing. It's a curfew, what you don't realize. The type of open it and you never feel fist. Hold on. The type of open it and you never feel fist. The only what the people do believe in turn up in here. Boom the door, this is where the cage up the only here. Boom, back the door, lay down and ground flat. When them come in, the bed a squeak and a rock one say, oh, you check some Babylon and idiot. Boom, the 16 angle dropping on me back, maybe fly off an idiot like a shot, slash at the priming. Hold on. Hold on. Now one of my favorite lyrics to you is this one. Woman, man biggest problem. No matter how you try to please them. Woman, man biggest problem. Shh. In a wedding, we did have problems. I might never have nobody to help the son them. Well, me right, me under 50, go check doctor. You know that whole psychiatrist out of me, when them start me and come, he say, wait, you want them? He say, yes, doctor, tell me have a dirty problem. He say, all right, sit down and let me question you. Then he back out that book and I pay and say, is it money? Is it money enough for the problem? If they get 7 years, I mean, enough spend. Food, stop you. Try again, we call a bone like a show up and now, hungry, my friend. Close, but kiss the company, no sweatsuit, no beauty by the charm and them. No problem, me all of your food, we Drugs, you rent no more pennies, so you take me to King Everland, die again. House is rent me out there from your tent, and the woman give me notice and no from away. Yeah, that no problem. You know why no care, the under 50 done a man there. Woman, we are telling to me say that again. If you didn't know when they can never say so, that's a woman, man, this problem. No matter how you try to please them, woman, man, hear this. You have some entertainer when come up on stage and go like them want to tell you about suck out your this, no arm stink, yo, woman, for respect, pride and self. No matter entertainer come tell you about arm stink. Hey, girl, if you don't have your one of this or your one of that, another thing that no, woman should be respected. Should be respected. You understand me? Listen. But make some DJs to try. 50 people joke. I say them not even try. Now look a kiki, now look a lullaby. All them not just murder a guy. Puts in a bag. That was a dance amplifier. Them can't sell you nothing when you know one buy. If them are brutal, so better try turn papaya and start give people joke before we make buckle fly. That's why. I rather be jokify than be an entertainer where I make people sigh. I talk about gun and ufamaro. I rather give you a joke till your belly buzz. Bye! And no stage show, me go make people cry. Make man laugh till them joke get all dry. I better thump off me and I say, me not tell me lie, you better lose the fast. But I feel satisfied and that's why. Shut him!
What is it? You have it locked. Bad mirrors. You might go again.
You love me. You love me now. You love me now.
Tell him to sing Dear Papa, all keeping. Tell him.
And then put it on me WhatsApp. Yes, ladies. No, one of my favorite lyrics.
Dear Papa.
You see you every time you look on you. No, let me feel this urge, feel this adrenaline rushes all over my body. It just let me feel for us. Look by you like Barry White and say, ooh baby. You know. But sometimes I'm gonna have to take precaution where that is concerned. You can't just go flinging your things all over the place because here is danger hanging over your head. So what you do, you must say, see it now easy, we're not complete. Let their life again cut off it. You can put me in a trouble, put me later into me again. Back it out and eat some backside you. And now they force your shame your blood. You take a round to head, you can't read. Everywhere you go, you're going to find a girl that breathe. If you go, you see my baby baby with your sex teeth. I tell you, breathe over Gavin, need some Barack, Cumberland, Greater and Westgate. 20 other Jubilee are breastfeed, and 11 in a belly. That can say that them are teeth. When you turn up for weight, you get bad. What is the last request? You're too mad. Talk loud at me here. But kiss me out, and before you beg for your life, you beg for bloated. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Sweet and pleasure here. Love you. Right, I'm going to trust you now.
Check. No. You can't do with that. You can't do that. That's some of our favorites. I want to hear some of our favorites. Dog. Yeah. What do you want to hear? What do you want to hear? Who you want to hear?
Oh, keeping.
up and I kill mama with beef.
What? Wait, who are here? Something so I'm not hear it. We are who? Who? Jimmy. Who Jimmy? Who do I hear Jimmy now? You know which one I want here? I other one that go when time. A man tell me the woman a beach and start lyrics her and tell her more to put her up and him dress her like a figurine and then go a yard and him say right there now me go some bomb and him hear bomb and him say who that? He's a rice a big joy. No something, no bro, no, you're wicked if you come here. No, hey, some more nuts. More nuts. More nuts. More nuts. You better come up here so because if I'm back say you're funny. Hey, I read Jamaica that if you're back say you're funny. Wacko! Yo, we got the man that will love wear white and can't wash it.
Raga.
What?
Raga,
No, careful where you are.
You know, so you get brown. You know, so you get brown.
What?
The bees, I mean, if you use wash, I use for your skin.
Nuts can't talk to me.
You're the best.
Nuts can't talk to me. Me say Nuts, I give him bridging directions, how we move him, car and whatever. And Nuts have a turn and a talk about, back up now, back up on me. Back up, wind up and come in on me now, wind up and come in on me. Who come and say you can't chat to me? You can't chat to me now, man. You can't chat to me. I'm afraid of you.
Raga. You see the old Labrisha?
What?
You use the power in the slow.
What? I'm afraid to admit that, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Don't make me start to come up here for perform and don't come for trace.
No, we're not trace and whatever. We're told you serious, man. But if you know someone, you see a general like me, if you're afraid of me, no.
No, I'm afraid that you feel ugly start with age.
But the government, you perform.
Come on, Tobias. Before I was rudely interrupted by impediments. No matter makes a no, I want to talk. Look like woman forget say man sharp. It's hard to find a man nowadays to brown bag when I have 10 woman families to wear. She wear man now when knows say man sharp and the woman them no food and make them. Keep the level on the bunch and 40 sweetheart and if them up in them mouth we broke up them. Some man only keep one woman. Just like me, what a good one I am. You see no fears? Alive! No. Some man only keep one woman. Just like me, what a good man I am. Other things, yeah, like, alright, ask Sharon. Oh no, Sharon, I know my right to man. Anyway, some women them are like a head. Some of them can say no whenever the man. If she did say no when the man come back, how the hell him could have get to go between her? Alright. In a way, they may go down a clearing that. When me see one breeder woman when make them walk and gaze, not me to lick me and couple dog and go hitch up in a garbage pan. One of my friends shout you a madman. You don't know who a your husband. You don't know the job. We clock the 10 man back stuff 50 to one them only find one. We ball out, we don't care a damn. It's a most fatal attraction. Anyway, we see her again, hear me man. When we done with she have to figure big time. Guess what? One Sunday morning, bright and early, when I wake up and say yes again, Jack, I don't see. When the people cross the road, guess what? Now they see a pretty woman come on my family. You will look in on my mind, I forget she. If she a dog, me want to catch please. We not sweet tonight. Love me. Me not cough. See up here. Me not cough me hand. Brush off me knee and go over to her and come 1, 2, 3 and say. My God, what a man wicked is. She said, oh, I said, your husband went on bus free and leave you for work and kill yourself. Him not, she said, play lower than that, man. Lower. Yeah. Yes, same way. You know, and leave you for work and kill yourself. Him not, she said, you are 100% pedigree. You need a robe, you like me, and look you down for me. Yeah, man, don't put in too much business. Yes, same way. We said to her, baby, you need a room, you like if you don't sit down and fling up on my dresser like a figure eating the bits on there. You should all long see a muggling a cheese string on the almond tree. Mrs. She blushed and then she said, me? Me say, yes, baby. Well, Lord, you feel free. Make a help you carry the bag. And I hope you agree for make with biscuits, my dad's over 2 cups of tea. That's why I help her carry the grocery to make she convinced that I have the quality, the respect, the etiquette, and the common courtesy. She could not tell me no to my checking up and ability. In the house, we sit down in a settee. Little after that, you know she don't drink the tea, guess what? She get up and lock the door with the key. We say my hand start shake. Don't mention the knee. You're make you so nervous, man. I say, no, I know that. What about your husband? She said, who, Big John? That down okay, man. If I got a friend, so go to England. Well, you see something hard, go down, bam. Rasta know that he's the tension. She, yeah, man, no way. She get up and start rub down my hand. Yeah, man, no, yeah, man. Guess what? She get up and start rub down my hand. They just dash me my pants, I don't even know where them land. In other way, no one time for action, after me go pantapa, she go make connection. After go so she go jump the door, now bam bam, when she shout, who is it? The man is a big girl. I'm not going to further than that. One more lyrics. From the common president around at the back, so them want to hear this lyrics, they want to hear this thing. And one at a time, I said, I'm not going to do it, you know. But I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm not going to listen. It's my business, don't laugh at it. Now, run the rhythm now. I said, listen, this tush girl, them, they, I'm going like cartel. When I saw them tush, I can't laugh again, it sound like I catch cartel draft. Isn't it? Yes, I go now. Just be careful on your poop before tonight done. You might have end up with your body come down. Just be careful on your poop before tonight done. Listen me. Well, I'm on the blood checkup from my doctor. Regular, feel me body no end up in a sick disaster. Gun yam a banana, fish and flour, aki, porridge, give me body no stomach. Diarrhea, go fi take the sake of milk powder. Go yam 11 jackfruit and 10 gizzard. Go drink 3/4 milk and yam 20 bulla and poop. Cool numbers. The country member is when that happened. Year before last round, 7:10 after me jam in a 1 minivan way full of people. Cooler for the back, very comfortable. After me put me kind of frightened, because me feel something, but me never too certain if the secret weather is do, me do. But what? Me know me sit down in or something. One girl when they decide me, they look and say, me look on her and say, young lady. Me look on her and say, young lady, want me. She said, somebody poop. Me say, mind, I know you put no poop all the while and I put no. See you can hear an old man say, oh no can't smell good on the nose, no, no smell. So you are hear me people, that's what the fault supposed to. You know what, thank you very much. How long you are waiting and tell you what I want to do? No further. Yeah, we love yourself, professional, sir.
Yo, this is BETV, not stupidness. I mean the legend himself there, so. You see what? Yo, yes, why time? At the boss time, Professor Nuts. Me there live witness the boss perform. Years I don't see the general perform, so you don't know. New York with Jamaica 55, happy independence of Jamaica, not stupidness. Our place, Chillani me born and grow, and no sufferation a boy you got show. BETV we not give up. Oh. If we not reach this year, next year not pass. Professor Turbo, Rugo that.